Back to my channel. Today I make logo for the brand Cinema. Font name Sangeetha Cinemas. Now let's start. Stay tuned at the end. First of all, I write the letter and create outline. This is the font name is Round Gothic Gaming. So you can download it from Chrome. And this is the Rosella serif. And we want to change. So create. Oh, sorry. Use the text tool and put the letter. Create outline and ungroup. Now use the down arrow, left arrow, and adjust this as per your preference. Now group it. So let's start. Choose that eyedropper tool to color it, and the gray color. Control G for crop. Now take this text tool and write N. Now choose this icon. All round Gothic theme. Okay. So I choose that font to make icons and I'll use a lot. Now right click and create outline and now use rotate tool and edit copy and paste in front. Now shift press shift and mouse drag and rotate it. Now it's much more easier. Now it's I think now so choose our so take this direct selection tool and click on that point and like this. Again, click as much as you want and now choose the point and select it with shift and round it. Again, select it with shift, both points with direct selection tool and simply drag it and now the S is obviously done. If you want more changes, then you can add this as well. Oh, sorry, you can add this. Okay, now yeah, this is the best position. Now done. And now group it. Choose the eyedropper tool and take the cyan color. Now take this, press it with shift and vertical align center to align with the letter. Maintain the distance between the letter and the icon. Simply size down it with shift and alter. And now done it. Use the align segment tool and drag it with Sorry. Right. Drag it with shift and increase the between to 2 and object. Go to object menu and expand it. Press OK. Now it's fill. Use the eyedropper tool to color it. Copy it with Alt and ungroup it. Align it with vertical line center. You can choose as much as you want. Press shift with multiple objects or done. Now simply size up, size down and control G. And now vertical align center. Yes. Control G for group. Horizontal align center and vertical align center and done. Thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe and share and press the bell icon to never miss any updates. Also see my community so you can watch all my videos in them. Now stay tuned for more exciting videos. If you like the video, then do comment to me and share your opinions with me. Thank you guys for watching.